Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see how we can use the artificial intelligence in Microsoft Excel and how we can turn the tabular picture images into editable Excel data, and we can make this data entry with OCR without any effort. It is very simple and interesting. Come on, let's look into it. So what are all the steps to insert the data from picture in Excel? So first step, you have to launch the Excel in Microsoft Office 365. So if you don't have the Microsoft Office 365, you need not worry at all. You just can go to the office.com and you can use the online version. Just a step of signing in is enough, and you need not even install the Microsoft 365 because many features available are also available in the online version also. So the first step, you have to launch the Microsoft Excel Office 365. Even if you have a subscription access, you can do, or even you can do the free access. The second step, you have to open a new or existing workbook. You have to create a new workbook, or you have to open the existing or new workbook. And the next, you want to insert the data from picture. So for that, you have to go to the data tab. In the data tab, which is available in the top of the window, you have to go to the data tab and you have to select data from picture option. Yes, you have to select the tabular picture image from the extract data from image or insert the data from picture. And after that, you have to select, after selecting the picture, we have to select the insert button so that the picture will be added into the data sheet. So the data extraction part is the artificial intelligence process, which is an interesting part which is provided in the Microsoft Excel 365, which converts this process the tabular picture image to extract the data, and this artificial intelligence will attempt to recognize the table structure and the data within it. So after this process is being done, we have to review and edit. After reviewing, we have to ensure the accuracy because Excel may not always capture the data perfectly, especially with complex tables or low quality images. Then after reviewing and editing the data, you have the option of reviewing and you can edit the data. We have to click the insert data, a similar button to add the extracted data to the Excel sheet. And Excel will insert the extracted data into the worksheet. We have to review to ensure the accuracy. You can save the workbook with the inserted data. The important point to note is the accuracy of the data extraction depends on the image quality and the complexity of the table, because if the quality is very low, then there will be some consequences, there will be some disturbances and it will be extracted wrongly. So we have to manually interpret or review it and then you have to insert. Clean and well-structured images will generally yield better results. However, it's a good practice to review and validate the data. So come on, let's look into the demo of how it is possible. You have to go into the office.com. Now I don't have the Microsoft Office 365 installed here. So I'm going to the online version. I'm going to the office.com and I'm launching. I have logged in. Now I am opening the you can create a new blank workbook also, or you can open an existing workbook. I am opening the Microsoft Excel from office.com. Once the sheet is being opened or the workbook is being opened, I am getting into the data tab, which looks into the top of the ribbon. And once I click on, and the first menu is data from picture, I am clicking on it. So it will be asking for the picture. I am selecting image, tabular image, and I want the data from that image to be extracted into the Excel data. So now the data from picture is being extracted. So I selected the picture and the data has been inserted. So once you can find there is a pink color image, which means it is to be reviewed. Once I select that pink color, it is asking whether it is TOT. It is student's mark sheet actually, and students name and the corresponding marks, Tamil marks, English marks are being displayed, and for total it has some doubt, so it is asking whether it is total, and it is asking for manual intervention. I can click on insert data, or if you want you can review also. I am accepting and I'm asking to insert data. So the data will be inserted. So you are responsible for validating the accuracy of data. Look here, the data from the image is being inserted. This is how, see the mark statement. So this is the original image. This is the original image actually. And from there, and this here there is a mark statement which is being displayed. And from here the mark doesn't look properly, and here manual intervention may be required so that the mark will be displayed. So the name Abhi, Asha, Anu, Baby, their names are displayed, and it is actually Tamil mark, but it is displayed as NM. Here I should manually intervene, and then I have to select data from picture. I am selecting the particular data picture image, and wherever there is some doubt, it will be displaying. So it has been analyzing the image. See, once I am coming down, their names are displayed and their marks are displayed. So here it is mark statement. So it is displayed some differently. So I can edit here by mark. So that once I click on accept, it will be modifying. You can review and you can change. Then you can give insert data. I can select insert anyway. So here you can find it is being displayed correctly as mark statement. So this has been overwritten. So mark statement looks correctly now. So this is how the AI technology is used in Microsoft Office 365, where the data has been correctly interpreted with the OCR. The only thing you have to manually check whether it is being correctly interpreting the correct data or not. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for all other further updates in AI and other online technologies. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.